Hey there, if you're planning to move anytime soon, then you're going to want what's in this box. It's an Open Me First box. That's everything you're going to need during those first hours in your new home to help make the transition a little bit smoother. The Open Me First box is going to have things like paper towels, toilet paper, napkins, silverware, some of those things. And of course, in my box, I couldn't forget to have my phone charger, laptop charger, all of those important cords. And in my case, we couldn't forget Selma's favorite brush either. So we would make sure those were in our Open Me First box. For a list of all of the essential items you would want in your Open Me First box, take a look at the blog. I've posted the link in the captions below, and you can reach out to me for your own hard copy of that list to use while you're moving. No matter when your move is, I would be honored to help you through the process and make your move smoother. I'm Kristy Bican with Coldwell Banker Realty, and that's how Kristy moves you.